Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our next class of simple present tense, that is with plural form. Okay, beta, in my previous video, I had already told you that how we can form the first form, fill the first form in the present tense in singular form. Now I am coming with the simple present tense with the plural form. Firstly, the rule is in the positive affirmative sentence, that is subject may be plural form like I is the first person, that's why we included I in this plural form. Then we, they and you. In this type of subject we use only first form of verb with the object. Okay, जब हमारा सेंटेंस प्लूरल फॉर्म में हो और सब्जेक्ट हमारा प्लूरल फॉर्म में आता है तो हम लोग फर्स्ट फॉर्म ओनली, जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म गिवन होती है उसी का यूज़ करते हैं. नो एस और ई एस यूज विद इट. ओके, एस और ई एस जो हमने अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने बताया था कि फ़र्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ हम लोग सिंगुलर फॉर्म में एस ई एस लगाते हैं, लेकिन प्लूरल फॉर्म में हम लोगों ने सब्जेक्ट के साथ ओनली फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगानी है जब वो पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में होता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई डैश गो फॉर वॉक डेली. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आई जो है हमारा नो डाउट सिंगुलर है, लेकिन ये हमारा फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन है, इसलिए हमने आई को इंक्लूड किया हुआ है सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल के साथ. ठीक है, तो दैट्स वाई हम लोग आई के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज़ कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ गो. तो यहाँ पे हमारा ओनली आएगा आई गो फॉर वॉक डेली. देन नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, we, it's also a plural form, plural subject, that's why we only use first form with we go for walk daily. Next, they dash for walk daily. They go, because they is plural, that's why we use only first form in this tense. Next, in the negative form, when we change the affirmative sentence in the negative form, then we use a plural helping verb, that is do. In singular form we use does, and in this plural form we use only do with not, and the verb remains the same, that is first form. For example, I dash go for a walk. We use do not with the first form only in this tense. I do not go for walk daily. Next, we do not go walk for daily. Next, they do not go walk for daily. This is the negative form of the simple present tense in the plural form. Next is the interrogative form. As we all know that interrogative form contains in the last, that is interrogative sign. This is the must. If we don't use the interrogative sign, then the formation of this sentence will be wrong. So the rule is do, then subject, then first form of verb, then object, and then interrogative sign. For example, I go for a walk. When we form this sentence into the interrogative form, then the helping verb comes in the front, then we use subject and then verb. So do I go for a walk daily, then interrogative sign in the last of the sentence. Next example, do we go for walk daily, interrogative sign. Do they go for walk daily, interrogative sign. Okay, so in the form of interrogative form we use interrogation sign. This is the must. And in the negative and the affirmative sentence we use only full stop in the last of the sentence. So this is all about the simple present tense that we have done today. So I hope you learn and remember this rule for your future study also. So once more time I revise the rule, that is in the affirmative sentence subject plus first form with object. Next, negative form of negative, subject plus do not plus first form of verb then object. Interrogative form, that is do plus subject with first form of verb, then object, and last interrogative sign. So that's all about the simple present tense. Thank you and have a nice day. Be safe and stay at home.